Welcome to the TMR Media News Roundup. Here are the stories making headlines today. COVID-19 cases in Kenya rose to 374 after 11 new infections were recorded. Health Chief Administrative Secretary Rashid Aman said 7 of the cases were recorded in Nairobi, while 4 were in Mombasa. 10 more people have been discharged from hospital, raising the total number of coronavirus recovery cases in the country to 124. On the same note, the Ministry of Health now says restaurants keen on bouncing back to business must follow COVID-19 protocols before they're allowed back. They must also undergo thorough inspection to get special permits that will allow them to resume business under tight regulations. Some of the measures include spacing seats and tables for social distancing, checking customers' temperatures, and having their staff tested for coronavirus. Kenyans stranded in China, the UK and India can breathe a sigh of relief as plans to get them evacuated gets underway, but at their own cost. Foreign Affairs Principal Secretary Ambassador Macharia Kamau said some 500 Kenyans are scheduled to be airlifted back to the country from next week. The High Court has stopped the destruction of COVID-19 sanitizer booths erected in various parts of the city by the Sonko Rescue Team. Sonko Rescue Team is a non-governmental organization associated with Nairobi Governor Mike Sonko that undertakes various charitable work. In recent weeks, it was involved in fumigating city slums and also erected sanitizer booths at strategic locations on city streets and bus stations, as well as at the Kenyatta National Hospital and other government installations. Trade and Industrialization Cabinet Secretary Betty Maina says consultations with different business stakeholders are ongoing to ensure distressed tenants are cushioned during this coronavirus pandemic period. Speaking during a virtual meeting with the Senate Ad Hoc Committee on Coronavirus, Maina said the government was working on modalities to ensure tenants and landlords agree on payment terms during this period. And finally, Tottenham became the latest Premier League club to open their doors to players on Tuesday as part of the Project Bristol plan to finish the English top-flight season. The Premier League has been suspended since March 13th due to the coronavirus crisis, but there's growing belief the campaign can be concluded over the summer months. Resuming matches on June 8th is reportedly among the ideas set to be discussed when the Premier League key stakeholders meet on Friday. And that marks the end of our news roundup. Thank you for joining us here at TMR Media, where we always keep you in the know. Remember to subscribe to the TMR Media channel for more breaking news as they happen. I've been your host, Ramadan Saidi. Till next time, adios.